Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today's question is going to be whether you can select the day of the week on your Casio AE-1200WH, so the Casio Royale. And the answer is no, you cannot, let's say, individually select the day of the week. So in order for your day of the week to be displayed correctly, what you need to do is to set the date. So you need to set the day of the week, the day of the month, and the year correctly. And Casio, so the module inside, is going to have the entire calendar already memorized, and it is going to display the date correctly for you. Now, in order to do that, what you want to do is to be in your home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed. In case you are not, press the mode button until you arrive there, just like this. And here we are going to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep and you will be able to see the seconds flickering, flashing. Now this means that we can reset the seconds. Then if I press the mode button, I'm going to be able to toggle between the different options and features of this particular model. Here we have the DST, then we have the home city, then I can set the time, so the hours and the minutes, then the 12/24 hour display, and right after this I will be able to arrive at the year. Now I can use the two buttons on the right in order to adjust them. So let's say I want to make it 2030, then I want to press the mode button once again. Here the first one is going to be the month, so let's make it January. You can go in both directions, and you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll on any of these settings. So let's make it January, and then the 1st of January. So I'm going to go backwards. So I have set the date on the 1st of January 2030. Now, if I keep on pressing the mode button, I'm going to keep on going, and it is going to cycle back from the beginning. And in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press once again the adjust button. Now, as you can see right now, we have the 1st of January, and it is going to be a Tuesday. So you can look it up. The 1st of January 2030 is going to be a Tuesday. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio AE-1200WH, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well to a link on how you can actually mod your Casio Royale. In case you also want to purchase this watch directly, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well to our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.